How to connect to the embedded web server for HP PageWide XL Pro printer series. Using the embedded web server, you can access printer information, manage settings and presets, install new firmware, and troubleshoot printer problems from any device with ease. To access the embedded web server, you'll need to know the IP address of your printer. To find this information, go to the front panel of the printer and open the Connectivity menu. Take a note of your printer's IP address. Ensure that the device you'll be accessing the embedded web server on is connected to the same network as your printer. On your device, enter the printer's IP address on your preferred web browser. You'll now have access to the embedded web server for your printer. This application can be used to monitor and manage various aspects of your HP PageWide XL printer, including maintenance and updates. By following these simple steps, you can connect to the embedded web server to manage your printer from any of your devices on your network.